Central Kentucky.
Well, so far today, the big story, the gusty winds. We've had also warmer temperatures and at least plenty of sunshine throughout the afternoon. That sunshine actually making for an unstable atmosphere right now. We have a wind advisory, meaning that we could have wind gusts continuing through the evening hours up until 8 o'clock this evening. For many locations, we'll see those gusty winds from about 8 o'clock to 10 o'clock, though. We'll see the potential for some damaging winds associated with thunderstorms. But again, the gusty winds through most of the evening hours are just going to stay windy, not even associated with storms. There is a tornado watch a little further to the north here in the pink shading. That includes really Kentucky up toward Indiana and Ohio, right along the Ohio River. That's for a line of storms that's moving right now a little bit more to the east, northeast. Some of those storms may begin to develop more into our viewing area. Again, so far today it's been rather quiet. Our local viewing area does not have any severe thunderstorm warnings in effect, but this is a storm track, and so the storm track, as we extend this broken line of storms out into the evening hours, you can see it'll be moving across the area here as we get closer from about 6 o'clock to 8 o'clock. That's about the time frame. It'll be moving across portions of central Kentucky and then maybe out toward areas like Moorhead closer to about 8 o'clock. Lexington, though, as we approach 6 o'clock, you may start to see some of this broken line of storms. This is a severe thunderstorm warning that we've had out for Henry and Jefferson, Oldham County, and that again is just staying a little further to our west outside of our local viewing area. It will begin to move more into Owen County, may move just across far northern Scott County, possibly Harrison County, as we go into the next hour. So that is something we'll need to keep a close watch on as it's moving a little bit more to the east to northeast. Wind gusts, again, the big story. Take a look at Frankfort right now. Wind gusts of 51 miles per hour. Many folks seeing wind gusts at times around 40 to even 45 miles per hour. Because of the potential for some storms later tonight, there will be a line of storms moving through. That looks to be closer to about 10, 11, about midnight. That's where we could see a lot more damaging winds. And because of that, the Storm Prediction Center has put out a moderate risk from the Lexington metro area and really areas west of I-75, an enhanced risk here in the brown shading from Moorhead to West Liberty, Richmond, and then further into south central Kentucky, and a slight risk, meaning we could have a couple of severe storms that develop more into far eastern Kentucky. But again, the biggest threat right now really looks to be central Kentucky. The bigger picture here, we've had a warm front lift through the area. That's one of the reasons why it's been so warm. We've got a strong cold front to our west. That will bring our temperatures crashing down overnight tonight. It's going to be a frigid start to our Wednesday with temperatures starting off in the upper 30s. After today, we've had temperatures closer to 80 degrees. Again, this low pressure system continuing to work its way right across the region. The time frame for the second round of severe weather possible tonight, anywhere from about 8 o'clock to 11 o'clock, including the Lexington metro area and really across more of the Bluegrass region, closer to about 10 o'clock and 1 a.m. for areas from Moorhead, more towards Somerset, and then to far southeast Kentucky to eastern Kentucky, close to about 11 o'clock and midnight. As far as the severe weather threat index, the biggest threat right now looks to be damaging winds, but we could see with any storms that develop the possibility for a few tornadoes, large hail, as well as the possibility for localized flooding and, of course, frequent lightning. Futurecast here at 8 o'clock this evening shows that cluster of storms. Here's kind of the broken line of storms developing across the area from 10 o'clock here at 11 o'clock up to midnight, working its way eastward into eastern Kentucky. By 2 a.m., most of the activity will be diminishing, will clear out. Could see just a couple snowflakes even early tomorrow morning. That's just the colder air returning as we go throughout your daytime hours tomorrow. High temperatures only in the mid-40s. So once again tonight, the potential for severe storms developing, 38 degrees as we continue overnight. So a big drop with the temperatures. Damaging winds look to be the biggest threat with any storms that move across the area. Wednesday, mid-40s, possibly a little wintry mix early in the day. Overall chilly, and we'll start to see a little bit more sunshine, lower 50s Thursday. Good day for the opening day of the Legends. Then Keeneland, a chilly day, 54 degrees, but we could even see a wintry mix and possibly snow as we start off the weekend. We'll have more news coming up.